Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you this strategy that you can use to trade volatility index. You can also use it to trade boom and crash, guys, and you can stay long in the market with this strategy. Guys, my name is Blessing and the name of my channel is BB Forex Trading Strategies, in case if you are new to this channel. So guys, I will show you the indicator that I used in this strategy. I used two indicators in window 1 and two indicators in window 2. So guys, I will show you the indicators that I used here. So let's go. You know our indicator arrow, guys. You click this arrow here, or you come up here, you click here, guys. Are you seeing it? That is where you will set your indicators. So guys, let's go and set our indicators. So on our main chart we have moving average 200, shift 0, method simple, apply to close, style 2 pixel, any color of your choice, guys. You click save. Then our second moving average here is period 5, shift 0, method linear weight, apply to close, style 3 pixel, then any color of your choice, guys. You click save. So on our window 1, guys, we have commodity index. Guys, here is our commodity index. Guys, you will use period. We have period 9. You can put it to 9, period 9, apply to typical price, then style 2 pixel, any color of your choice, guys. I prefer to use, let me say, green. Then your level. Are you seeing your level, guys? You have -100 plus 100, guys. Then the style, use 3 pixel, any color of your choice, guys. I use black. Then I click save. The next indicator I am going to use now is Bollinger Band. I am going to use Bollinger Band, guys, and I'm going to use it at the default settings, but I will apply to previous indicators data. Then the other things will be default, except the color. You can change the color. So guys, I'm going to change the color here. I am going to change it. Let me make it red. That's what I'm using on our Bollinger Band. Then period 20, deviation 2.00, shift 0, apply to previous indicator data, style 2 pixel, any color of your choice, guys. Click save. So this is the indicator that we are going to use for these strategies, guys. So guys, when I entered this trade, the first thing I have to check is my 4 hours time frame. I checked my daily time frame and weekly time frame. These 3 time frame is what I first checked before I know what the market is doing. So guys, let's go and check our week. Guys, as you can see here now, our weekly candle is buying, and is buying very seriously. As you can see the candlestick standing there, guys, you will know that this candlestick is not for joke. And what you are seeing there is green candlestick. That is what you are seeing in your weekly time frame. Green candlestick, and this green candlestick indicates buy. As you can see, your moving average on your main chart, moving average 5 on your main chart, is also going up. It's not coming down. So you will know that this is for buy. Firstly, you will make sure that you are seeing the green candlestick there. Are you seeing it? We are not going to use the window 1 in this higher time frame now. What we are looking at in our higher time frame is the candlestick. So what we are seeing there now is green candlestick. Then let's go to our daily time frame. Guys, what are you seeing when I enter this trade? Guys, our daily time frame, the candlestick was equally showing the green candlestick. Are you seeing the green candlestick? When I enter, it was showing the green candlestick was just starting because I entered in the morning. And the closing candlestick is also green, showing that this is a buy, guys. It shows us that a buy, and our 200 moving average is below, and our 5 moving average is also going above, guys. Are you seeing it? It indicates buy. So check our 4-hour time frame. Are you seeing the 4-hour time frame? This is where I entered this trade, guys, and the candlestick was showing green candlestick also in our 4-hour time frame. So I decided to enter this trade for a buy. Because my 4-hour time frame, daily time frame, and weekly time frame indicates a buy. So what I have to do is to go to my 15-minute time frame. Here is where I will enter my trade now, guys. And as you can see, it's buying. It keeps on buying. Are you seeing it? It keeps on buying, guys. Let me show you where I entered. Here is where I entered the trade. I didn't wait for window 1 indicator to meet, but I entered, guys. I entered when my CCI is below the minus 100 level, and also my Bollinger Band is also below the minus 100 level, and it crossed above. When it crossed above, what I am looking for now is here, guys. Here now. I am waiting for my moving average 5 to start going up together with the candlestick. When it starts going up, I will enter for buy. If it's still coming down this way, guys, don't buy. Wait for it to start going up. When you saw that it started going up together with the candlestick, you enter. Make sure you saw this. If you want it more better, you wait for your Bollinger Band to touch the 0 level. When this have crossed here, when your CCI have crossed below, then you wait for your Bollinger Band to touch the 0 level. Here is our 0 level. To touch the 0 level, then you enter. Immediately you touch the 0 level, you wait for your moving average here to be going up this way before you enter. Even though the Bollinger Band touch the 0 level without it going up like this, guys, don't enter for buy. Guys, this strategy works, but you have to follow the rules. Let me show you where. Okay, guys, here is one example where our Bollinger Band is touching the 0 level, because here is buying. Our daily time frame, our 4-hour time frame, and weekly time frame shows us a buy. So this is buying. Then when you see this, guys, you can see that our CCI and our Bollinger Band crossed below the minus 100 level for buy. Are you seeing it? Then you will now wait for your Bollinger Band to touch the 0 level here. Are you seeing it? When it crosses, don't enter. Wait for it to touch the 0 level. When it touches the 0 level, you watch your moving average if it has started going on before you enter for buy, and you stay for this market very long. You take 50 US dollar, or you wait for it to give you 70 to 100 before you leave the market. The strategy is as simple as that. When you follow the rules, always check your 4-hour time frame, daily time frame, and weekly time frame. If they are doing the same thing at the same time, guys, that means it is a strong trend. Then you come to your 15-minute time frame. You make sure that your 200 moving average, if it is a buy, is below the candlestick. For a buy. Then you buy. If it is for sell, you make sure that your moving average is above. Then your candlestick will be below the 200 moving average for you to sell. As you can see, volatility index is for buy. It is buying all this while. Here is selling. It said small here, as you can see. It said small here, guys. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it here? Sell small here, guys. But before you enter, you make sure you saw your moving average crossing down. Your moving average, that's 5, moving average 5 crossing down with the candlestick, then you sell. But in this case, we are not going to buy volatility index 50. We are not going to sell because it's showing us buy. That's why I bought, guys. That's why I bought. And you see, if I wanted to enter this trade, I'll enter because here is coming closer here, and it crossed below our, and it's going to continue going up now, as you can see now here. Are you seeing it, guys? You have started going up again. You enter, you put your stop loss. Always put your stop loss, guys. So don't do that mistake not to put stop loss. You put your stop loss, you go for a buy, guys. You go for a buy, or one position is okay for me for now, guys. It's okay for me for now. So guys, I think I'll end this video for here. In case if you are new and you have not clicked that subscribe button, guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button, like the video, and also share it to your loved ones, guys. Share it to your loved ones. See you guys on my next video. Bye for now.